So these are my favorite everyday sunglasses. I've had these honestly for 3 years. And these are like my daily driver everyday sunglasses. So they actually have a little bit of wear and tear, but I love these. These are my favorite. These are so lightweight on the face. They feel beautiful on the bridge and they fit my face just perfectly. It gives that like almost like a smooth cat eye that I absolutely love. I feel like it's super flattering for the face and just something I really love. So the one thing too is you're gonna get this beautiful Burberry embossing on the side, and you're gonna get this beautiful tortoise shell. And especially someone with light eyes, I always feel like I need sunglasses, but I feel like this is the perfect amount of like not too dark but not too light, so I'm able to kind of wear them wherever I want. These give you great UV protection, natural clarity. So if you're looking for sunglasses, definitely these Burberry ones are perfect.